Hey, what up guys, it's Gadget Pinoy, and today I'm super excited to share with you the unboxing experience of the IWACHI i4. It's a wireless mouse. I cannot wait to explore its features and performance together. So join me as we dive into this box and discover what this mouse has to offer in terms of design, functionality, and any additional accessories that comes with it. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. The IWACHI i4 wireless mouse offers three different connection options: 2.4G, Bluetooth 4.0, and Bluetooth 5.0. This means that you have a choices for the connections mode that's for your needs. For me, I prefer a Bluetooth connections because it's easy to connect and has. Not only does the iWatch i4 wireless mouse excel in connectivity, but also boosts a built-in 500 milliamps battery for extended usage. I haven't tried it to see how long does it take, but I'm very confident it will last around 1 to 3 days usage. So you won't have to worry about recharging it. One standout features that I like, it's the low click sound. I guarantee you 100%, the first time I tried it, I was shocked and amazed because you cannot hear the click or any unnecessary noise except when you do right click. I can still hear a little bit of sounds, but it's not too loud like other mice out there. I really enjoying the ergonomic design of the IWACHI i4. It's blend the retro style design. It's very comfortable in your hand. However, there's a little bit of problem in my case because if you have like larger hands like mine, you might find it gripping it a little bit more challenging. And so in my case, like I'm using my gaming mouse, so it's very different from yours. It's just smaller, it's just like bigger. I want it gripping properly so that I can like use it properly. So I know that it's good design, but it's not a gaming mouse. It's considered as good mouse for me. Let's take a closer look at the back of the IWACHI i4, where you will find setup for connectivity. The mouse offers an easy pairing process, and you can seamlessly switch between modes as needed. There's a 3 color indicator light systems. You can see 2.4G mode indicates flashing red light. When you flash the red light, which means you can use it, the USB connect to your laptop. Bluetooth 4.0 mode is flashing green. Flashing green light if you want to save energy. That's it. Bluetooth 5.0 mode, it's a blue flashing light. So if you want to enhance the performance of the mouse. It's also compatible with a wide range of devices like your laptop, your desktop, or even a tablet. It's incredibly easy to use. Just plug and play with any hassle-free setup without any complicated installation process. That's what I like it. And that is a wrap for this unboxing for this IWACHI i4 wireless mouse. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Gadget Pinoy for more tech reviews and unboxing. So if you have any questions about the IWACHI i4 or you want to share your thoughts on this wireless mouse, feel free to drop a comment down below. As always, link to purchase this fantastic mouse and more details are in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.